Hello, students of class 4. How are you? Today I am going to teach you third lesson from your literature book. The title of the lesson is The Seed of Truth. This story is written by Sudha Murthy, a well-known a well-known Indian writer. She was born in August 1950. She is the chairperson of the Infosys Foundation. Okay, she wrote many books. Her popular books are Grandma's Bag of Stories, The Magic of the Lost Temple, and How I Taught My Grandmother to Read, and other stories. Let us read the story. In the story, King Vidyadhar ruled Gandhar. He was a just king. He was an honest king. His people loved him very much. In his kingdom, all were happy. All the people were happy. But the king had no children, no child. That was why his subjects were worried. Okay, about the king. They thought who would be the ruler of the kingdom after him, after the king. Okay, the king was a good gardener, an expert gardener. He was fond of gardening. He spent his time in gardening, in planting trees, and growing beautiful flowers. Okay, one day he announced that he would give some seeds to children who would grow the healthiest plant, the biggest plant would be chosen the crown prince or princess. Next day, there was a long line of uh, anxious parents and children outside the palace. Everyone was eager to get the seed from the king. Among the children, Pingla was Pingla, a poor boy. He was the son of a poor farmer. He was also there. He was also fond of gardening. He was also fond of growing plants. He got the seeds from the king and came back to his house, his home. There at home, he planted the seeds in his pot. He cared the seed. He watered the seed and manured it, but no plant grew there. On the fixed day, all the children reached to the king's palace with healthiest plant in their pot. Only Pingla went there with pot having no plant. He was sad. All the children were happy. They were showing their plants to one another. But Pingla was sad because there was no plant in his pot. The king came, he saw the plant, everyone showed him the plant. At last, he came to Pingla. Pingla showed him the empty pot and told the king that he took care of the seed. He watered it, but no plant grew here. No plant grew in my pot. I am very sorry. Forgive me. He requested the king to forgive him. Okay, to see him, to see his truthfulness, the king embraced him. The king embraced Pingla. He told he told the audience that he had given roasted seeds to everyone. Only Pingla told him the truth. Everyone told him lie. I am impressed with Pingla. So Pingla will be the crowned prince. Okay. When the king grew old and died, Pingla became the ruler of the kingdom. Okay. He ruled very wisely. This is the end of the story. Children, you see here that honesty is a great virtue. We have to develop this virtue in us. Okay. Today's class is over. The remaining the questions will be taught next day. Thank you.